Amandla! Amandla! Viva ANC, viva! Comrades, I would like to appeal that we stop singing. Let us stop singing so that we should get on with the tasks that our members have given us to come to this conference and represent them. I want to appeal even to those
ubayeke abakusapota ubacule kungabanganemhlaba
ngoba ngifuna ukuthi bathule bonke. Thank you, comrades. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, comrades. Thank you. Let us now start. Comrades, let us start with our conference. Let us start with our conference. Let us all be seated, please. Masihlaleni phansi. Masihlaleni phansi sibambe umthetho. Thank you, comrades. Ngiyabonga. Thank you, National Chairperson, Comrade